and I welcome you all to the second part of my lit week in भोपाल. जब भी मैं ये वीडियो शूट कर रही होंगी probably I'll be at my home at my place Singrauli, and guys, what a week it was. I didn't wanted to come back here, but Corona, you ruined it. So I went to my college, and not even exaggerating, it is one of the best colleges of Madhya Pradesh and best in private colleges. So I study in Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology. I am doing B Pharmacy from there, Lakshmi Narayan College of Pharmacy, which is a part of Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology. And what a great place it is to be at. Great faculty, great ambience, great means everything is just perfect out there. So yeah, I just went there, met with my faculties. I had a great time. I met with a friend of mine there, and we had a great time. I think I have repeated great a lot of times in this video, but who cares? I was so excited to be there. Very fun thing actually happened. I was actually traveling there by an auto. I didn't got Ola, and I don't have any scooty and all. And buses are not running now for the college. So I talked to a auto rickshaw driver, and he told I'll just charge rupees 100 for you. And I was like, कोरोना से पहले तो 200 रुपये लेते थे यहाँ से रायसेन रोड जाने के. I stay at Indrapuri, right? So distance from there is around 5 to 7 kilometers, or even more than that. I don't actually remember. I don't even know actually. And I have been studying in that college for past 3 years now. But it is what it is, right? So yeah, that's the thing. And he told, after he reached to Oriental Institute, he told me कि बेटा मुझे लगा कि आपको यहीं तक आना था, तो मैंने 100 रुपये बोला. मैंने बोला कि अंकल आई न्यू, मतलब मैं जानती थी that I have to pay you more, but I'll not pay you more than 150. Now you have told 100, so I'll pay you 150 more. And he agreed. He was so sweet actually. So yeah, let's get into the video. When we had regular college, this is the place जहाँ पर मेरी नींद खुला करती थी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर लगातार 4 ब्रेकर्स हैं जो कि उछलते हैं, एंड वहीं पर नींद खुल जाती थी. एंड वी हैव रीच्ड टू द कॉलेज, हनुमान जी का मंदिर. यहाँ मैं रोज़ सुबह प्रार्थना करके कॉलेज जाया करती थी. दिस इज़ द ऑडिटोरियम, आर्यभट्ट सभागार, एंड हियर वी हैव अ स्मॉल कैंटीन. Basically this is the bus stand, and this is the way to the main building. Our main building is really beautiful. It is a great property, I have to say. This is the parking, and parallel to it is the training and placement cell of the institution. You won't believe, guys, we have a hostel, a girls hostel in our college, which is named as Maheshmati Girls Hostel. This is actually the training and placement cell, and the building right there is Maheshmati Girls Hostel. And this is the way to the Pharmacy Institute. This is the central library, and parallel to it is the central workshop, जहाँ पर मैकेनिकल के बच्चे अपना तोड़ फोड़ मचाते रहते हैं. There my building. Oh, this place, oh my god, labs. I have missed all this life. Like we have to spend 3 years daily in these labs, and from past 1.5 years we are stuck at our homes. This building holds a hell lot of memories. All the 4. देख ले आखिरी बार क्या? Left, finally left. We have a lift in our college, guys, now, finally, after 3 years. And this view. That building is the IT building, and the सामने वाला is the LNCDS. वहाँ नीचे हमारे प्रिंसिपल की कार पार्क हुआ करती थी. Such lush green it is. I just love this place. On the video call throughout. यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हमने वो दिन आँख में भरी जवानी से बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। एक YouTube वीडियो का तो कल मिल गया था, एक YouTube का आज मिल गया। College canteen. This is my favorite place. Actually, this is my favorite place. We have at least 1,000 memories from here. Like whatever, what not we have done here. And उस दिन हमारे कॉलेज में शूटिंग चल रही थी. And guess what? मूवी का नाम क्या था? नरक. I don't think I should have revealed it. I am actually not sure what the movie is, but the shooting was going on. See, shooting stuff. For the first time in my life, I'm seeing live shooting in front of me, and I am excited. IT बिल्डिंग में हो रही है शायद से. Next, what happened? I met with Siddharth there. I met with my faculty, my favorite Mishra sir, and everyone out there. And college की lift बन गई. We were in first year when the work started, and now we are at final year. And it was like, what an experience! I was just so happy. I just want college to resume, and I want to have that life back. So, if you like this video, please like it. Share my video, comment on my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. I make some lit content here and you'll absolutely love it. So we are a family of around 75 subscribers now. Please make it till 100. Just a little request, and yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.